The characters are obviously an important element in any story. And when we look at the characters, we look at how they are revealed to us. Are they revealed directly? That is, are we told about the characters? Are they described? Are they put in a situation or are they put in a situation and we learn about them indirectly through their actions and through what they have to say? When we look at those characters, what we learn about them determines whether or not they are round or flat. A round character has dimension. That is, there is complexity to that character and depth. A flat character is a fairly simple character, and we say that they can be described in a sentence or two. There is a particular kind of flat character called a stock character that's sort of a stereotyped character, the one that we expect and understand to behave in certain ways. But when we evaluate character, we want to look at whether or not the character development is consistent with that character's role in the story. We want to consider the character's motivation. Does the character behave in a logical, reasonable way? Is their behavior consistent with what we know about them in the story? When we look at the characters, we also look at not only whether they are round or flat, but whether they are developing or static. A developing character changes or grows, and we understand why they do that because we see what motivates them. We can explain it, or we can see the reasoning behind it. But when a character develops or changes, there needs to be enough time that has passed in the story for it to be believable. A static character, on the other hand, remains the same. They do not change. We have them as sometimes a foil against the developing character. However we learn about the characters and however developed they are, what their motivations are, we are able to examine them. We often wonder why people act the way they do or behave the way they do. And in a story, we have a snapshot. We have something that we can go back and investigate to explore the reasons for the behavior of the characters.